So, ito yung projection angle and range. So, yung projection formula o yung R o yung range o yung distance is given by the formula ito. Initial velocity squared times sine 2 theta over g. So, kung metric system, 9.8 meters per square second. Pag English system, 32 feet per second. So, again, dahil nagtatrigo tayo, i-rearrange natin yung formula. Ayan. Arc sine of yung range times acceleration due to gravity over initial velocity square divided by 2. So, ano to? Times 1/2. Kung ayaw mong mag-divided by 2 times 0.5, pwede rin. So, yun. Ginawa na natin ang example. Medyo nalito pa nga tayo eh. No? Ayan, yung sarili natin example. Yung initial velocity is 30 meters per second. Yung range is 40, then yung G is 9.8. So, again, ang range ng sine is negative 1 to 1. So, pasok yung 0.4355. Pasok yan. So, 25.82 divided by 2 is 12.91 degrees. So, yun lang. Nag-trigo lang tayo. No? Ito yung application ng trigonometry in projectiles. No, kasi meron tinakal natin yung horizontal and vertical distance. So, eventually, pag pinasok natin yung horizontal and vertical distance, papasok tayo sa projectile motion. So, ito yung sinasabi ni Sir Randy na trigonometry topic pero related sa physics. Yan. Diba? Kasi yung calculus may related sa business. Diba? Ito, trigo pero sa physics. Kasi yung acceleration due to gravity, physics yan. Topic sa physics yan. So, yun lang pa.